Hi, good morning my dear students. I'm Miss Stephanie Cole. Welcome to my channel, Spark Brilliance Inspire Life. Today, I have 3 samples of halide salt here. Can you guess which one contain chloride ions, which one contain bromide ion, and which one contain iodide ions? So, how can we find out? Can we taste it?
Nope.
Of course not. We need to use qualitative analysis, a scientific method to identify ions. Just like in daily life, when we test the water quality or check for the sugar in food. In chemistry lab, we also use specific reagents to test on the ion in the salt. In these demonstrations, I will use the reagents like concentrated sulfuric acid, silver nitrate, iron 3 chloride, and potassium chromate 6 to observe how potassium chloride, potassium bromide, or potassium iodide react differently. Now, let's begin and see what happens. In today's experiment, we are going to carry out qualitative analysis of halide ions in different halide salts. The objective of this experiment is to identify chloride, bromide, and iodide ion using a series of reagents. In this experiment, there are 2 main parts. Part 1, test on the solid salt sample using concentrated sulfuric acid. Part 2, test on the aqueous salt solutions using different reagents. After checking the solubility of the salt in the water, filter the mixture to obtain clear solutions. Then, the clear solution is separated into several portions for the following tests: reactions with silver nitrate reagent, reactions with iron 3 chloride and heat, reactions with acidified potassium chromate 6. Finally, we compare the observations to identify which salt contain chloride, bromide, or iodide ions. In this video, I will demonstrate all 3 halide salts: potassium chloride, potassium bromide, and potassium iodide. It will be easier for you to refer next time because even if you are given only 1 or 2 halide salts, you already know what observations to expect and how to deduce the results. Now, let's go to the part 1, the test on solid halide using concentrated sulfuric acid. This test must be done in a film chamber because some of the gases released are toxic and pungent. We will add a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to each salt, observe the changes, and record the color of the vapor and smell produced. Let's move on to the part 2. Before we start, we must first check the solubility of each salt in water. So, dissolve the salt in a small amount of distilled water, then filter the solutions. For filtrations, you may use a flux and funnel, or a triple stand funnel and beaker as shown in the diagram. After that, we will separate the solutions into portions for different tests.
For test 2A, using silver nitrate. Now, let's start with the salt of potassium chloride.